Hello everyone. Today we will study a topic of class 5th, subject EVS, and the topic name is No Place for Us. Let's get started. Have you ever visited slum areas in your city? Many people live here. Where do these people come from? Do they come from villages or cities? I think most of the people came here from villages. Why do these people live here? Because of food, clothes, and shelter. These are the most important reasons. Because of that, people live here. Some people moved here because of some other reasons like natural disaster, industries and manufacturing plants, and dams. Do you think that by making dams, the people will be only benefited? No. Some people, those are living in nearby areas, they need to leave their place. So making dam is only not beneficial for all. Maybe for most of the people making dam is benefited, but some people they need to leave their own places. That is why it is not good for them. So in this chapter, we will study a story about Jatria Bhai, how he moved to the slum area from his village. This is a person whose name is Jatria Bhai. He lived in slum area in Mumbai with his two children, daughter Jhimli and son Siddhya. Jatre Bhai repairs stone fishing net, but the money he got was not enough because they had to pay for the medicines, food, school fees, and rent for the house. Young Siddhya also had to work in the nearby fish factory to earn some money. He cleaned and shotted the big and small fish. Then in the afternoon he goes to school. In the evening he would wander around the vegetable market and help some Mem Sahib to carry her bags. The day would pass running around for work, but evening brought back old memories. Jatra Bhai was born in Khedi village. People did farming in Khedi village. They would go to the nearby forest, chatting and singing together to collect wild fruits, roots, and dried wood. Some of those they would sell in the town across the river. With that money, they would buy salt, oil, and some clothes. One day, the people of Khedi village heard that a big dam was to be built on the river. The people would have to leave their villages and their lands on which their forefathers had lived for centuries. After a few days, government officials, along with the police, started visiting the village. Villages on the bank of the river would have to be removed. People having land at Khedi will be given land far away. Jatra's parents and most elders were not happy about leaving their village. The people of Khedi village had been shifted to this new village, Sinduri. Jatra house was like an oven and the roof made of a tin sheet. This was not like the Khedi village because here they had to pay for everything. The people of Sinduri did not welcome the newcomers from Khedi. They found their language and way of living strange. After a few years, Jatra Bhai sold his land and his animals and came to Mumbai. What we have learned, like Jatra's family, thousands of families come to stay in big cities for many different reasons. Do you think their life may be better in a big city from what it was before? Imagine how they feel in a big city. So I think the life of the people who are displaced and shifted to the cities is not better than the village life. They have to face many problems in big cities like they feel isolated and the people in cities treat them as unwanted guests. They feel choked as they have to live in very small houses or juggies. They feel hard to live on as they have to pay for electricity, medicines, vegetable, water, etc. So life in juggies in big cities is very difficult compared to village life. So that's all for today, children. Bye bye. Have a nice day.